Django model doesn't declare an explicit app_label. I'm at wit's end. After a dozen hours of troubleshooting, probably more, I thought I was finally in business, but then I got. There is so little info on this on the web, and no solution out there has resolved my issue. Any advice would be tremendously appreciated. I'm using Python 3.4 and Django 1.10. From my settings.py. And my apps.py files look like this. And
are you missing putting in your application name into the settings file? The myAppNameConfig is the default class generated at apps.py by the .manage.py createApp myAppName command, where myAppName is the name of your app. Settings.py. This way, the settings file finds out what you want to call your application. You can change how it looks later in the apps.py file by adding the following code in myappname/apps.py.
I get the same error and I don't know how to figure out this problem. It took me many hours to notice that I have an init.py at the same directory as the manage.py from Django. Before. After. It is quite confused that you get this doesn't declare an explicit app_label error. But deleting this init file solved my problem.
I had exactly the same error when running tests with PyCharm. I've fixed it by explicitly setting Django_settings_module environment variable. If you're using PyCharm, just hit Edit Configurations button and choose Environment Variables. Set the variable to your _project_name.settings and that should fix the thing. It seems like this error occurs because PyCharm runs tests with its own manage.py.
I got this one when I used ./manage.py shelf and I accidentally imported from the root project level directory.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.